The 550-watt Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner features smart auto-sensor technology that optimizes cleaning efficiency by adjusting suction power based on the dust level detected. Equipped with a powerful 550-watt brushless motor, this vacuum offers up to 50 kilopascals of suction power, ensuring thorough cleaning of both hard floors and carpets. With a long-lasting, detachable battery, this vacuum provides up to 70 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning, making it perfect for large areas or extended sessions. The vacuum's design includes an anti-tangle brush and a swivel head, making it particularly effective for removing pet hair from various surfaces. A 6-stage filtration system with a HEPA filter captures 99.99% of small particles, promoting cleaner air and reducing allergens. The vacuum cleaner comes with a 2-year warranty, reflecting the manufacturer's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction.